Hi guys, my name is Gia and welcome to my channel where I document the process of becoming a STEM entrepreneur and share everything that I learn along the way with you. So I'm in the process of applying for a NSF STTR grant that's due on November 1st. And even though I have experience writing grants from an academic setting, this is the first time that I've ever put a full proposal together from start to finish. And needless to say, from an academic setting, you have the grants office to help you put these things together. But as a small business, you need to register for SAM.gov, you need to register for research.gov and all these things and upload the forms in the correct way or they won't, even look at your proposal. So I'm learning a lot during this process and I thought I could share all the things that I'm learning, and hopefully you'll find it useful for when you want to apply for your SBIR grant. So in this introduction video, I'm going to go over three things. First, what are SBIR and STTR programs? Two, who are those participating federal agencies? And three, are you eligible to apply as a small business, and should you? First, the SBIR.gov website defines Small Business Innovation Research, SBIR, and Small Business Technology Transfer, STTR, as programs that encourage domestic small businesses to engage in research and development with the potential for commercialization. These programs enable small businesses to explore their technological potential and provide the incentive to profit from its commercialization. By including qualified small businesses in the nation's R&D arena, high-tech innovation is stimulated and the United States gains entrepreneurial spirit as it meets its specific research and development needs. So I love this. This is basically free money from the US federal government to the small businesses to work on their R&D. It's non-dilutive, meaning there's no debt. You don't need to pay this money back. They don't take any equity from you. You get to keep all of your company. They don't want to control your company. You just need to promise that you're going to do the research that you propose to do and that you're getting the money for. And at the end of the award, you will report that, which can take up a lot of paperwork. So it's not entirely free money because it does come with strings attached, but good strings to help you commercialize your tech. So next, who are the participating federal agencies? Well, federal agencies who have a research and development budget over $100 million are required by the U.S. legislature to put aside 3.2% of their funding for an SBIR. So these agencies include the SBA, Small Business Administration, USDA, Department of Agriculture, Department of Commerce, which includes NIST, and the NOAA. And we got the Department of Defense, and under that there are 12 different agencies, including the Air Force, the Navy, the Army, DARPA, and all the other ones. We have the Department of Education, Department of Energy, Department of Health and Human Services. So under HHS is NIH, National Institutes of Health, as well as FDA and the CDC, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. We have the Department of Homeland Security, Department of Transportation, Environmental Protection Agency, NASA, and lastly, National Science Foundation. Of these agencies, if their R&D budget goes over $1 billion, then they're required to set aside an additional 0.45% of their R&D budget towards the STTR program. And in my later video, we'll go over the difference between an SBIR and STTR and how should you decide which one you should apply for. Next, let's go over the eligibility. If you are a for-profit small business with 500 employees or less, and your company is owned and controlled by at least 50% US citizens or permanent residents, and you're located in the US, the company must be located in the US, and the money that you receive as the award must be spent within the US. So the R&D cannot be subcontracted to a firm out in Italy, for example. Then you're eligible to apply. In the next video, we can go over how to find some of these call for proposals and see if it aligns with your company's mission, if it aligns with your company's technology and commercialization strategy. So thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye.